Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's makeup tutorial, I'm bringing you guys this cut crease, half cut crease, a goldish reddish look. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade CH. I'm just going to blend it out and set it with some translucent setting powder. I'm picking up this shade Nana. This is from the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm just going to apply it right onto my crease and blend it out. I'm picking up the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and the shade I'll be using is Ada. So this is going to go right onto my crease, and this is also, I'm also going to bring this shade into towards the inner corner of my eye and just blend it out. So to pack on the shade and blend at the same time, I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna go and apply the shade, blend, apply, and blend, and basically just repeat the steps until you get the shade desired. I did also use a Wet n Wild brush, and I used it to blend the top part of my crease and just get rid of any harsh lines. So yeah, just basically repeat the steps, pack and blend. To do my half cut crease, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer and a synthetic brush. So I'm just going to go in and cut the crease and just fill in with concealer. I'm picking up Casablanca, and I did wet my brush with a little bit of setting spray. You guys know this makes a big difference when applying shimmer shades, so I'm just going to apply it right on top of the concealer. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the Ada shade, and I'm just going to blend it right into Casablanca. To clean up, I'm just going to use a makeup remover wipe. I'm picking up this Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Devotion, so I'm just going to apply it to half of my top lash line, and I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the Ada shade and just blend it together. The lashes I'm using are the Dodo lashes in the style 309. Then I picked up a little bit of Ada and just blended out right on my lower lash line. Now I'm picking up Dahlia, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna pick it up and apply it to the inner corner of my eyes. Then I just apply a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes, and that's it. That completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.